what's up? So I'm relaxing. Definitely relaxing today. Yeah, it feels good to relax right now. Only for a couple hours. I still gotta move around, but it's still good. Uh, okay, so this week I'm wearing another slick back, and I really shouldn't wear this part because I've been wearing this part. But anyway, my hair is slick from yesterday morning, and it's still slick. All I did was put a scarf on it, and then put my bonnet on it, and that sits. There's a little build up right here, but it's nothing I can't brush out when I redo it. But I'm not gonna redo it. I decided to kind of stay in and like get some rest, because mainly when you're trying to get sick, it's really you need some rest as well. I mean, your immune system a little weak, and I feel like this year has been like the most I've been sick in a long time. It's because I'm always on the go. And I feel like I need to take some, I'll take some. I try not to take anything. And plus, guys, my diet been, like, it's not been good. I had to get back on track. So, I'm definitely going to get back on track because I don't want to fall too short from that. And so, yeah. Matter of fact, let me show you what I get from Thrive Market. 1 second. So I bought some more grocery items from Thrive Market. I feel really bad because for Thanksgiving I didn't do well at all. So the time I spent the time in just making sweet potato pies for everybody, not necessarily myself. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I still got a house phone. I planned ahead for what I was gonna eat. So I knew I could eat greens and I eat the meat, but I had planned ahead to make keto dessert, and I didn't do it. So hopefully for Christmas, I can do it for Christmas. So yeah, again, I'm combining my other video, what I bought from Thrive Market, with this video. So I did buy some more stuff. Guys, a lot of stuff I haven't really tried that I bought from my last shopping. So I do have an account with Thrive Market, and I'll link everything down in the description box. And this is not sponsored, but it'd be nice if it was. But anyway, it's not sponsored. So I didn't really try a lot of the stuff from my far as cooking wise. So because I bought the I think it's pronounced Chirataki Chirataki noodles, I want to say it's called. I didn't try those, but a good thing about those noodles last forever. Not forever, but for a very long time. I think 6 months, I want to say. But anyway, so I'm gonna definitely get into that. Try to make a dish with that. I just haven't decided what I want to make per se. And then, oh, y'all see my Charlie Brown Christmas tree? One daughter wanted a Christmas tree. We hadn't had a Christmas tree in years because I just thought she was probably outgrown it or whatnot, but she wanted one. And so she got to get some decorations for the tree so she could decorate it, because, yeah, the little balls that you see on the tree, she thought they was bigger. Well, I figured they weren't. I think she ordered online or whatever, but at Target. But we got to get some more decorations for the tree. But anyway, excuse my Charlie Brown tree. So I ended up buying some more items. I really like. So let me show you. So what I did is, yeah, I didn't get that much from last time, but I got this cookie mix. So this, again, anytime I want anything sweet like a dessert, or even when I made my own pancake syrup, because I did buy a keto pancake mix, I made my own syrup and I used monk fruit. So yeah, guys, and I got to get really back onto how I was eating, because I've been feeling crappy too. Maybe that's the reason I'm under the weather as well. It's because my eating's been crappy and my body is feeling it. Brown rice, sea salt. So, brown rice, interesting. Chickpea flour. Yeah, I really want to try this. So I'm gonna make some of this probably through the week. I just get home to me like quite late. Well, by the time I get home, I don't feel like doing nothing, but I got that. And this is my second time buying these. I really like these, with just a soft baked spice carrot cake made with almond flour. So I really like these. I think I probably got like one left. So this is my second time buying this. Then I went on and bought some more of the pancake mix because you really don't get that much for me. And I think this is about $6, $7. But so I went on and bought some more of that. Then I bought some more. So what I did is, in the times where I don't have time to, the times I don't have time to make my own syrup, I bought this. Give me 1 second, guys. So this is the stevia syrup. I think it's strawberry. No, it's maple flavor. Never mind. So I bought that. Let's see what's in this. Purified white vegetable. Oh, I do have monk fruit extract in it. And I think the sugar is, of course, should be 0. Yeah. So I bought that. In the time I don't have time to make my own syrup. And then I bought some more shirataki noodles. This the fettuccine. So the ones that I bought last time was the spinach kind. So this just plain, and I hear that with shirataki noodles, you whatever flavor you put in, that's what how they taste. So they don't have a specific type of flavor. However you season, that's how it tastes. I got my other ones in the refrigerator. I may should take them out. I hope they some good. But I got that. Then I went on and bought, because I didn't even use my other ones here. So that's why I was like, you really got to find some meals that I like. But I bought these. This the coconut wraps. Like, you can have these with tacos, breakfast wraps. And give you like, because I think it's only 7 in here. But it give you each day what type of wrap you can make. So like a breakfast, they have a Caribbean wrapping, a Caribbean beef shredded beef, black beans. Then they have one for grilled veggies. So, and one for desserts, like kind of like a crepe. And I think I said that right. And yeah, so then I had one with nut butter, banana, cinnamon, honey. That sounds great. Then the BLT, and then yeah, so I got that. I got another one of those, so I have to use these. I really have to use this. Come on, noodles back up. Then I bought my daughter some more deodorant. So this is all natural deodorant. Crystals, we currently using this now, and it works. It's like the best natural deodorant I've tried. I really love this. So I think this is the one I use, and she gets. Yeah, she used the pomegranate, and I used this one. And it stays on for 24 hours. So it definitely stays on 24 hours. So typically with other deodorants, I can go, more than 24 hours without deodorant. But with this, it's 24 hours. So I do suggest, if you're doing any type of physical activities that's going to require you to do a lot of sweating, to have it with you and just put it on just in case. But for me, I don't have to do it. I can really go to the gym and don't have to reapply it. I have accidentally forgot to reapply it, and I was good. But typically, if I'm going to the gym, I go ahead and reapply it. One little quick swipe with quick swipe with it. So that's my Thrive Market haul right there, mini haul. Then guys, oh god, I bought me another iPad, and this is the newest iPad. Not the Pro, but the 7th generation. And I've been very it's bigger. Oh, this is me when I was baby. I bought the 2017 iPad. This is a little bit bigger than I bought the Apple Pencil, so I finally bite the bullet and bought another iPad. So if you all don't know, I do illustrating. So only reason why I bought my 2017, that's fairly new. It's a little over a year old now. And the only reason why I bought that at the time, because of I was studying coding. I need to get back into that because I really like coding. But anyhow, I had brought that, to carry on me so I could study for that. Then I got back into illustrating, so it's perfect. But if you don't know, I do sell some of my artwork and designs on Teespring. When you have different sites, because I do have different sites that I sell things on. Society 6, like you've seen recently, Redbubble, Teespring, because they all attract a different audience. So yeah, but anyway, on certain sites, yeah, it's hard for me to really upload certain art because I can't upload art on all the pieces that they offer because the resolution. So with that being said, that means I needed more gigs and memory on my iPad, and the one that I had doesn't provide that. So I've been debating for months, really months, because I was going to get the Pro. Well, I've just been kind of debating. So I've been looking at YouTube videos just to see what would be best. I just kept thinking about it, and I was like, you know what, let me just go buy it and see if I like it and whatever about a pencil. And so now I'm in love. I feel like the Apple Pencil with drawing, digital drawing, especially with the program I use, Procreate, it's like, oh my gosh, it's so lovely. I'm like, I fell in love. So I went on and bought it, and I bought the 7th generation, but I bought 100, and I think it's 128 gigs, I want to say. So hopefully that'll do it for now, because I don't want to buy another one. And if you don't know, my daughter does art herself, so I just let her borrow. Yes, borrow, because that's still my backup iPad. I let her borrow my other iPad because she feel like it would be easier for her to have her work digitally in her class, because I don't know if I told you, she's majoring in graphic design, I believe she's majoring in graphic design, so that's what she's doing in high school right now. So she has a lot of projects that she has to do for graphic design. She has to sketch it out, so she's really been kind of like wanting an iPad. So I let her borrow my iPad, my other one. Yep. Here's my monthly grocery list. I have to really think about what I needed to get. So I did check off blueberries because this was for week 2. So I'm just going to first I'm going to move in close so you can see me. So I'm going to erase this check mark because, okay, I'm just going to erase all this because this looks sloppy. So I'm blowing it up. So I need more almond milk. Blueberries. I just ordered some hemp seeds. I may have to buy some more. I need more olive oil. I need something else. Dang. Oh, I need. So Thrive Market got this recipe for bread because I've been, you know, I'm a carbs girl, so I need to find a substitute. I don't think I should just eliminate a bread from my lifestyle. I just got to find a substitute. So taking a little work here, and then the bread, once it was done, I seen the video on their blog. Once it was done, it looked so good. It almost reminded me like a brioche type of bread, and I said that'd probably be really, really good. So I'm going to try to make that. So I got to find a recipe for that on their site. But I remember I needed this flour, and then I need, I think I'm gonna get some more eggs since I'm making this, and some pesto. Yeah, and some pepperoni. So when I want to make the pizza again, another onion and green pepper. Then I want to get some celery. But that's my list. So what I do is I'm going to take a picture of this on my phone, so I have this with me. So then when I get back, because I'm not going to have my iPad with me to go into the grocery store. When I get back, I'll be able to check this off.
Well, I'm making me bacon this morning and the pancakes. So it's made out of almond flour. And let's see, I've made this one time, so I know it's pretty good. Let's put this little bite on. we got the hair stove light on. Yeah, so it says that 4 pancakes, if you may only use half a cup, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon, but that's alright. I get 2 pancakes out of that. So let's try to mix this up. Measuring cup to dip. Alright, let's head over to the grill. Put it in there. Let's see if this is right. Give it one flavor. I kind of let it get a little cook around the edges. I kind of chop it up. Sugar free. This is breakfast. Oh, I know one thing I forgot to show you how the inside look. Like a regular pancake. So that's all I want to show you.